Everyone, Michelle McCarthy here from Homeschooling in the Pines. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun unboxing. I ordered an Erin Condren teacher planner for the 2018-2019 school year, and I'm really excited to open it. I got home from a trip yesterday that I was away for 2 weeks, and I wanted to open it, but I didn't open it because I wanted to show you all what I got. I was able to get this planner 30% off and then 10% off extra for signing in to their newsletter. So I'm really excited. This is one of the designs for last school year. So that's why it was on sale. So I'm excited to show you, and I'm in a really weird angle here trying to open this box with the camera in my way, so I'll try my best to show you. Okay, so I already opened the box, but I haven't looked inside. Okay, so it's beautifully packed. It's a pretty big box to what's inside. As you can see, the first thing here looks like a little sticker. Right here it says enjoy to from, and it is beautifully packed in some tissue paper, and here's also says well done is better than well said. It's just a postcard that I can use. So I'm gonna open it. So excited. That's bubble wrap. That's beautiful. Okay. So with the purchase of this, I was able to get some, it was free, some date stickers because the planner is undated. So I was able to get date stickers for the planner. And there's a little pouch here that goes inside the planner. Let me see what's in there. So it just has a couple of cards here. It says you're focused and fabulous. You matter, you really, really do. Thank you for being you. So it looks like a bookmark. And here also we have some coupons, very fun. And just explains here how to use the clip connector and how to put the pouch in your planner. Okay, so this is it says Mrs. Michelle McCarthy. Has a little ruler here. Very cute. Let me move the box out of the way. Okay, so this is the planner. It's beautiful. Okay, and I will do I'm just gonna flip it through it really quick. So excited. I'm gonna do a video a little later on in the summer where I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to prepare this planner for homeschooling, because this planner is for teachers, classroom teacher. So I'm going to customize it to fit my homeschool, and I will show you how I did that, okay? So I'm just going to show you really quick. I haven't looked at it, just a couple of videos I looked online. Okay, so this is what the planner looks like, and then I'll be putting the date stickers here on the calendar. So it's very beautiful. It was beautifully packed in a beautiful box, and I'm really excited to start getting it ready for next school year. And I will show you, for all you homeschooling moms out there, how I'm going to, and this is the planning side. You're gonna put all the planning. I will show you how I'm going to customize it for homeschooling, okay? I've been getting some ideas, and I think I know what I'm going to do, okay? So I will show you that later on. So thank you so much for watching. I just want to show you. I want to open it. I was so excited. I wanted to open it yesterday, but oh, stickers in the back. Look at that. But I didn't open it because I wanted to make a video to show you all what I got. Okay, so I'm really excited. I was able to get this planner, and I was able to get it on sale. Look how pretty it is. And I don't know if the sale is still going on, but you can check out. And again, thank you so much for watching, and be on the lookout for a video how I will customize this for homeschooling. My name is Michelle McCarthy from Homeschooling in the Pines, and I will see you soon.